And after he finishes doing what you asked him to do, opening the gate for you to contact the law, you need to thank him so that he may close that gate afterwards, because if he doesn't, you might get in trouble. Because welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about Papa Legba. So Papa Legba is going to be the first law I'm gonna cover in my videos. Why is that? Well, because Papa Legba is very important in the Haitian Voodoo. So Papa Legba, he has the keys of Guinea, guys. What is Guinea? So basically Guinea is the spiritual world in Haitian Voodoo. So in Haitian Voodoo, there's not hell or paradise, okay? There's just like the spiritual world, okay, where the spirits live, or you know, the dead, that's where they go, okay? So Papa Legba, he has the keys. So if you want to talk to any laws, you have to talk with Papa Legba first. You have to go through Papa Legba, okay? So he is the one that has to give you permission to talk with the law. Okay, so that's why he's very important. So you can't really do any rituals without Papa Legba. You know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna do a rituals, like you're going to worship Allah, you're going to summon Allah, so you have to go through Papa Legba. You know, so right now you have an idea how important Papa Legba is. Okay, so he is depicted as being an old man, and he wears like a brimmed straw hat, and he has like a cane. That's why some people may call him the lame man, okay, because he walks with a cane. And also he has like he smokes like a long clay pipe, okay? So Hollywood have another like representation for Papa Legba. I don't know where they have that representation from, but you know, it's Hollywood, so they have their own version of it. Okay, so what you may have seen in my other videos of Papa Legba, it's like the Hollywood version of it. You know, the picture, it's like the Hollywood version of it. Okay, so in Haitian Voodoo we don't really have that representation for Papa Legba, okay? So he has similarities with Bao, okay, but they are not the same law. I saw someone who brought that up on Facebook, so I wanted to clear that, okay? So they're not the same law, and I'm gonna like do another video talking about Bao to say who is Bao, okay, and to tell you like, guys, the differences between Papa Legba and Bao. So Papa Legba is the first law to receive offerings in rituals and the first to be invoked, as I told you already, okay? And he is like a wisdom and humility personified. That's why his offerings are less flashy than the other laws offerings. His offerings may be like coffee, candy, cake, grilled peanuts, rooster, and so on. His favorite colors are black and white, even if in some areas they use like purple and yellow for him. And his wife's name is Haitian. I'm gonna make a separate videos for Haitian because she's an interesting law, okay? And he is part of the Rada laws. I told you the characters of the Rada laws, guys. The Rada laws are known to be like very soft. They're not aggressive laws. So yeah, he's part of the Rada laws, but you may also find him in petrol laws. I'm gonna make a separate videos talking about laws that are like you may find them in Rada laws and in petrol laws. There's like a specific name for them, so I'm gonna make like separate videos for that. His celebration day is November 1st. However, in some places they have different days that they choose to celebrate him. I don't know why, okay? And you may compare Papa Legba with Saint Pierre, in Catholic. So they say like Saint Pierre, he has the key of heaven and hell, and Papa Legba has the keys of Guinness. So they have like the same kind of role that they play, so they compare him with Saint Pierre, okay? And Papa Legba is also known as a children lover, okay? So he loves children, okay? It is very rare for Papa Legba to possess someone during a ceremony. When this happens, that person may take on the appearance of an old man and being supported by crutches. And however, Papa Legba may be very violent towards that person. That person may fall to the ground and have like a kind of a seizure or something like that, or that person just stop moving. That doesn't mean he's dead or something. He's just, the Papa Legba is just too strong for that person, okay? Papa Legba is also known as a great trigger, so you need to be careful when dealing with Papa Legba, because you never know, okay? And after he finishes doing what you asked him to do, opening the gate for you to contact the law, you need to thank him so that he may close that gate afterwards. Because if he doesn't, you might get in trouble, because you never know what spirit may come from that spiritual world to haunt you or having like bad intentions towards you, okay? So please be careful, okay? And I have like a prayer for Papa Legba, to summon Papa Legba. I'm gonna like put it here. It may be like slightly different from prayers that other people may use in some places, but overall this is like what is it, okay? Basically this is what is it. And thank you guys if you made it this far, and feel free to comment down below any things that you want to tell me about the videos. If you have like any information that you may think that I left out, or any things that you want to know more, feel free to comment it down below and engage with me and engage with each other, okay? We are here to talk, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up for you guys, and yeah, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video.